In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add a Spanish keyboard to your iPhone. Adding a Spanish keyboard will allow you to type and communicate in Spanish more easily, whether it's for texting, writing emails, or using Spanish language apps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Keyboard. And then tap Keyboards. What you want to do next is tap where it says Add New Keyboard. And then tap on the search bar up top and type in Spanish. Choose the Spanish keyboard that you want to add to your iPhone. A Spanish keyboard has been added to my iPhone. Let me show you how to switch to that keyboard. To switch keyboards on your iPhone, simply tap on the globe icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. As you can see now, it's the Spanish keyboard. You can also tap and hold the globe icon. Tap and select the keyboard you want. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.